today we're going to show you how to remove a 12-inch honeycomb tire from the motor, right? So we have a pre-fit 12-inch honeycomb tire inside a 12-inch motor. This could be used for DYU, for Fido, or any other 12-inch e-bikes. Now, the only tools you need, right, are really solid metal tire levers, preferably as long as possible, so it gives you more leverage, right? Don't use those the ones meant for bicycles, which are only half the length. So use tire levers that are as long as possible, and also a monkey wrench. This monkey wrench allows you plenty of leverage to pry open the extremely tight honeycomb tires, because these honeycomb tires are not made like normal tires. They are made smaller, especially in the inner diameter, where it is meant to be very tight fit onto the rim. Okay, so we're going to show you how to remove it without actually cutting it. Of course, the brute force way, not to say that what we're doing is not brute force, but the easier way, of course, is to saw right through it. Okay, but you may risk damaging the rim, right? This is a cleaner way to do things. Okay, so assuming you have your honeycomb tire that's worn out and you want to change it out to a new honeycomb tire with new threading, right? This is how you do it. Okay, first you take the monkey wrench, you pry open so it exposes a certain a gap, and with that gap you can insert your metal levers and pry it out like so. Okay, once you have that, of course the whole time you're using your foot, right, to stabilize the tire. Okay, this would look way more difficult than it actually is. Okay, this is not an easy process, but once you get a point out, then the whole tire actually slips up by itself. Okay, so we're going through. There you go. Voila. Okay, so this is how you cleanly get the tire out, the honeycomb tire from a 12-inch motor. Next up, we're going to show you how to install it. A brand new honeycomb tire. Fitting in the new tires is gonna be so much harder, right? These are made to be smaller than, say, the motor rim, right? Because at higher speeds, say between 25 to 35 kilometers per hour, the wheel, right, because of the motor speed, it tends to expand and enlarge. So it has to be smaller than the motor rim, right? So for example, this motor rim, well, this motor can actually go up to about 50-60 kilometers and more, but at higher speeds, you know, as the motor spins, the wheel is going to expand, the tire is going to expand, and if you don't make it smaller, then it's going to slip out of the motor easily, right? So let's show you how to install this honeycomb tire onto the motor rim. Okay, the first step is to make it more soft and pliable so that you can bend and you can, you know, kind of warp it a little bit. Okay, so to do that, we're going to cook it in the microwave. Let's go ahead. So we're going to cook it for, right, so there's a certain technique to avoid overcooking it. So we're going to do it for a total of about 5 to 6 minutes, but not at one shot, alright? So we're going to do it at 1 minute intervals for 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, so that's 1 minute, and then we're going to do it 5 times over. Okay, so that's 1 minute. Let's take it out and let's test for the stiffness of the tire. Okay, it's warm, so better wear gloves in case you get scalded. Okay, so here goes another minute. Let's go. Okay, now after it's been cooked for 5 minutes, let's take it out. Okay, so it's not hot and soft. Is it hot? It's hot, right? Okay, so wear gloves for protection. Okay, now it's nice and hot. With the tire nice and hot, we're going to try to fit it into the motor rim. Okay, what we do here is to just cable tie the tires onto the rim as a base, right, to secure the tire so that it doesn't move around. Okay, once you secured it with cable ties, just go. Okay, you need 2 people, right? You need 2 people. Can we just go for 2 people? Hui, can you help, Lee?
Mẹ đó. Maybe hold for me. Your face.
Yes, correct. So you need someone to hold here, secure. And to lift it up. There you go.
Alright.
It's a 2-man job. Because this cannot move. Every time you try to move out, right, the other side will pop out. So yeah, it's a 2-man job.
Go.
There you go. Okay, now what we're doing is just to align the tires to the rim. Okay, can we show the other side of the rim?
A bit
So,
more.
yeah, this has to be popped in. Now you can only do this when the tire is warm and soft, so that it stretches a little bit more. Okay. So the tricky part was, yes, once you secure the base here, as you move, around the rim, right, there's a part where it tends to pop out if you do not have enough leverage, right? So you need someone else to hold on to that lever so that this part doesn't pop out while you try to get this portion over the rim. That's it. So this is how you install a honeycomb tire onto a 12-inch motor.